everyone, it's Kyle with Rangeland RV, and behind me here is a 2020 Wolf Pup 16 PF. This floor plan features a front walk-around queen bed, a large U-shaped dinette slide-out, and a rear corner bath, and tons of other features. Let's check it out. Let's talk about construction here on the Wolf Pup 16 PF here. Starting off, you have a 12-inch on-center 2x2 wood frame, where industry standard is about 16 to 20 inch. You also have hurricane strapping from all four corners, holding everything together really nice. You have a full walkable roof, which is great for up here in Canada because we get a lot of snow too. It's on a steel I-beam chassis. On your exterior, on your aluminum, features a tough coat protection. What the tough coat gives you is fade resistant along with scratch resistant. So this trailer is going to look great for a long time down the road. So starting on some features on the outside of the Wolf Pup here. Up front there, it's going to be prepped for solar panels. So if you have a suitcase system, you can plug it in, you're good to go. Features tons of exterior storage. Your entryway here features a friction hinge door, so it's not going to blow in the wind, along with the oversized grab handle and the solid MORryde steps. You have a large power awning with easy tilt access if it's raining or you want to get a different angle protection from the sun. Over here you have outside speakers, Bluetooth streaming, so if you want to listen to your favorite music outside you can, and you have inside speakers as well. If you want to bring the TV outside with you, you can, just hook it up there, and you have cable and power outlets there. Up front there, you're also going to have a barbecue quick connect, an RVQ, so if you have a portable device, you can plug it in there and feed off your propane so you don't have to bring extra bottles with you. On the back side here of the Wolf Pup, you have a 6-gallon fast recovery dual electric and propane hot water tank. It's going to give you about 16.2 gallons per hour of recovery, and it's the fastest in the industry. The Wolf Pup features 32 gallons of freshwater capacity and 4 corner stabilizer jacks, keeping this little trailer nice and stable. So in the front here of the Wolf Pup 16 PF, it features a really nice walk-around queen bed, which is great. So it's not a corner bed, you don't have to crawl over each other in the middle of the night. It's something we see a lot of trade-ins come in on. Either side you're going to have hanging storage, so full wardrobes, and then over top there you have a full shelf as well. Both sides of the bed features 12-volt outlets and 110 outlets. So if you have a CPAP machine or you want to charge your iPhone, you have that capability. Underneath the bed here you have a large open area, so for bigger items, bulkier stuff, you can put it underneath the bed. Big, large windows on either side of the bed here with privacy pleated shades, full pull down, not your tin blinds or anything like that. Something really nice about this floor plan is a large U-shaped dinette. You can fit the entire family around it, and when it folds down, it folds into a 7-foot long bed, so it's a really nice sleeping area, and it's also big guy friendly. The table here features a pressed membrane, so you don't have any T-molding in your countertops, in your kitchen or your tabletop, so it's not going to break down on time. Really nice feature in this smaller trailer is going to be the full 6 cubic foot gas electric fridge. It's something you don't find common in this category. Along with this huge pantry back here, we actually had one of our employees take this one out on a camping trip, and he commented on how much storage there was for pots, pans, all the big items, and then a full pantry for all your food and stuff like that. So it's a really nice trailer with tons of storage in it. Okay, over here on the kitchen side, you're going to have a really nice stainless steel microwave hood fan. This trailer features all LED lights, but even in your hood fan you have an LED light, which even some $100,000 fifth wheels still do not do that. You have a really nice glass cover stovetop giving you extra counter space. The countertops are all a pressed membrane, so you don't have any T-molding that vibrates over time for water to get in. This sink features a nice under-mounted stainless steel sink, so you can put large or hot pans in there and not worry about it melting, and then you have the really residential high-rise faucet in there. Going on top of your full pantry, you have more additional storage up top and below, and this in the kitchen area features your central furnace in this one too. In a small trailer where space is really limited, Wolf Pup did a great job at designing a nice bathroom. You have a full shower with tub surround and a nice corner toilet here, giving you tons of room to close the door and be able to sit down comfortably. Thanks for taking the time to check out the 2020 Wolf Pup 16 PF. If you'd like some more information, you can check our website out at rangelandrv.com for more options and pictures of the Wolf Pup. If you guys saw value in this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions directly for me, I can be reached at Kyle@Rangeland RV. Thanks for watching and happy camping.